Hi, this is Litre from Toolbox Plus. Today we have a 2019 Subaru BRZ, stock number 6118. This ran from 10th 2016 to 09/2021. It has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a FA 22 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front factory 17-inch alloy mag good tyre. Right rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.